Hello everyone, Daniel here with the Peasants YouTube channel. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today we are going to be unboxing this GoPro adapter right here that I'm going to be using so that way I can record better quality content for you all upon riding out there, so that way we're not hearing the wind and a whole bunch of unwanted noise. With that being said, we're going to take a close-up look at what comes inside this box right here, so that way if you're thinking about investing into one of these, you can be well acquainted on your end. Should you have any questions about anything that you see or hear throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you, drop a comment below, and I'm going to do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. Taking a close-up look here, this is going to be the Pro 3.5mm mic adapter. It says Hero 8765. It also does say compatible with 10 lifetime warranty there. What I'm going to do is show you the packaging. Feel free to pause right here so that way you can read this thoroughly on your end, so you get the idea there. So this is going to be the adapter right here. We have our GoPro, and then we're going to connect it in. We can go ahead and run a microphone of any type into there. So that is the packaging up close. What we're going to do is we're going to open up the box here. So upon opening the package here, we have the lifetime warranty here. I'm going to bring this up close. Feel free to pause so that way you can read this on your end. I always try to be as thorough as I can on these unboxings here, as well as in the reviews and every video I do. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them down below. That's all that comes within there, and this is the unit right here itself. Allow me to focus in there for you all. This right here is the GoPro 3.5mm adapter. So the idea is right here you have the inputs right there, and then you would simply this end plug it into your GoPro like so, and then kind of run the setup accordingly on your end, however your helmet's set up. For me, I'm going to make an entirely different video on how I'm going to go about setting this up on my end. But what I'm going to do is I want to unbox this and show this to you all up close. The microphone that I'm going to be using is the purple Panda Lavalier that I have here. Again, I'm also going to do in-depth reviews on that, so be sure to check those out. I'm going to zoom in so that way we can really see this unit up close. Allow me to move this out the way. So this is the standard GoPro input. It goes in through there, and it feels durable. It doesn't feel cheap at all. That's for sure. It does feel rugged and durable. And those are the inputs right there. So all in all, initial impressions, I do feel like this is definitely a quality investment. If you're looking to make better quality content for your YouTube channel, especially if you're going to be writing, I would definitely recommend checking this out. Again, I'm going to leave links for you in the description below so you can check this out on your end. That is the unboxing. That is everything that comes within this package right here. If you have any questions at all about anything that you saw throughout this unboxing, I'm going to highly encourage you, drop a comment down below, and I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Stay tuned, as I'm going to bring more videos on how I go about setting this up, how this operates, what kind of quality I get from this, all of the above. I will be diving in and elaborating more on this, but to conclude this unboxing, there you all have it. Initial impressions, it does seem like a good quality adapter, a good investment for those who are wanting to make better quality content. Yet again, I would truly appreciate the support. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here for me. Yet again, thank you all for tuning in. You have a great day.